guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't already and turn on your post notifications so you never miss any video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy bun hairstyle that you can dress up or dress down for any occasion. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to start off by sectioning off some hair from right at your temple line, and you're going to put that into a ponytail. Now you're going to make a gap and you're going to flip the ponytail up and through to create a topsy tail. Now you're going to pull out the edges to fluff it up. This is going to give it a much more elegant look. And now you're going to repeat those same steps right underneath to create a second topsy tail. Now you're going to take the rest of your hair and you're going to start to put it into a low ponytail. But on the last loop, you're going to stop about halfway just to create a button. Now with your ends, you're going to split that hair in half and you're going to pull it over the top of the bun. And then you're going to tie that into a knot. Now you're going to take your ends back underneath the bun and you're going to tuck them back into the elastic. If you can't get that to do what you need it to do, then you can always secure it with a bobby pin. And you're all done. This is the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up as that really helps out my channel. Also, make sure to share with a friend, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will link all of my social media channels down below and also all of my favorite products if you guys want to look into that. And until next time, bye!